Before we actually jump in to how to conduct an SEO or search engine optimization audit, it's important that we take a minute to talk about what an SEO audit actually is. An SEO audit is a way to evaluate your website's performance in several key areas. The audit is typically done before you start search engine optimization work on a website so that you can track what work needs to be done and track the results. That way you're not just doing general tactics that everyone uses, you're actually doing the work that your website needs in order to rank higher, as every website is unique. As we'll get into in this course, a good SEO audit will look at several key areas of your website, including on-site optimization, off-site optimization, social metrics, a competition analysis, and even a promotional analysis. If these categories don't sound at all familiar to you just yet, don't worry. I'm going to cover each of these in detail so you will feel very comfortable with them all soon. They'll all make sense. I'm going to break them down so they're easy to understand and easy to implement. After the audit has been completed, you will know the website's strengths and weaknesses and where you should focus your efforts in order to increase the site's search engine rankings. It's like having a customized SEO roadmap to fix your site.